Lava Bold 5G Review, Premium 5G Phone with AMOLED Display and Clean Android. Introduction. The Lava Bold 5G is a feature-packed mid-range smartphone offering a 3D curved AMOLED display, MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, 64MP Sony Camera, and IP64 water resistance. With clean Android 14, no bloatware, and support for all Indian 5G bands, it stands out in the budget segment. Key features. White check mark, 6.67 inches Full HD+, plus 120Hz AMOLED display, vibrant colors, deep blacks. White check mark, MediaTek Dimensity 6300, 6 nanometers, smooth 5G performance. White check mark, 64MP Sony Camera, sharp daytime photos. White check mark, 5000 mAh plus 33 watts fast charging, all-day battery life. White check mark, IP64 rating, dust and splash resistant. White check mark, clean Android 14, no ads or bloatware. Design and build. Sapphire blue color with glossy finish. 3D curved edges for a premium look. IP64 rating protects against dust and water splashes. In-display fingerprint sensor for quick unlocking. Display, 120Hz AMOLED brilliance. 6.67 inches Full HD plus AMOLED, rich colors, great contrast. 120Hz refresh rate, smooth scrolling and gaming. Widevine L1 support, HD streaming on Netflix, Prime. 3D curved edges enhance viewing experience. Performance, 5G ready with Dimensity 6300. MediaTek Dimensity 6300, 6 nanometers, efficient and powerful. 4 GB RAM plus 128 GB storage, decent for daily tasks. All Indian 5G bands supported, future-proof connectivity. Mali G57 GPU, handles casual gaming well. Clean Android 14, faster, ad-free experience. Camera, 64MP Sony sensor. Camera, 64MP main camera, good daylight shots, AI enhancements. Camera, 16MP selfie camera, decent for video calls and portraits. Movie camera, 1080p video recording, ice stabilization reduces shakes. Crescent moon, night mode, improves low light photography. Battery and charging. Battery, 5000 mAh battery, lasts a full day easily. High voltage sign, 33 watts fast charging, 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. Pros and cons. Black check mark, pros. Stunning 120Hz AMOLED display. Clean Android 14, no bloatware. IP64 dust and water resistance. Reliable 5G performance. Multiplication sign, cons. Only 4 GB RAM, 6 GB would be better. No 4K video recording. Verdict, who should buy it? The Lava Bold 5G is ideal if you want. Black check mark, a premium AMOLED display at a budget price. Black check mark, clean Android without bloatware. Black check mark, 5G support with good battery life. Black check mark, durability, IP64, for daily use. Price and competition. Priced around 15,000 to 18,000 rupees, it competes with Redmi Note 13, Realme Narzo 60X, and Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. Final verdict. White check mark, buy it for the display, clean OS, and 5G. Cross mark, skip it if you need high-end gaming or 4K video.